So I have this King HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical keyboard. So the box packaging looks good. I mean, they have a lot of details. Specifications are all in the back, and you can see that the weight of this keyboard is pretty noticeable. It's not like your normal membrane keyboard, which is very lightweight. It's heavy, and it's heavy for a reason. So let me go ahead and open up the box, and let's see what else is there in the box. And also we'll give a quick tour of this HyperX keyboard, and this is using the MX Cherry keys. So I heard this is a blue cherry keys, so they are really good for MX Blue. So they are really good for your travel, and they give you a good tactile feedback. Let me open up. So we have another box inside this box. First off, we have this nice, good quality pouch. So this pouch can be used to carry this keyboard wherever you are traveling to. If you're traveling to a gaming tournament or something like that, you can use this pouch, and this will protect your keyboard from any impact damages. Okay, so then we have some instruction manual, which I think none of us is going to read. Okay, so straight away we have this keyboard here. It's pretty heavy, and it's heavy for a reason. As I said, it's got this charging port, and also the connectivity port, which is used to connect it to the gaming console. Okay, let's keep aside and see what else is there in the box. So we have extra textured keys. So this will be useful for gamers to identify the keys just by texture, and then they not rely on lighting only, but alone anyway it's got backlighting features in it. Okay, and then we have a good quality cable. So the advantage of this cable here is it's a non-tangling cable, so it will never get tangled up, and texture is also very good. It gives a premium quality. I mean, comparing to any other keyboard in the market, you can see that this cable is of really good quality. So right from the cable you can see how HyperX has given importance to quality of the product. So they have two cables here. So it's actually a twin cable. So USB to USB and USB to USB-A. Okay, so this is the keyboard, and we have the keyboard already set up there. So you can see it in action. So the lighting controls, left. Lighting controls can be changed suiting your needs. So this one is breathing mode. Then this one is everything is lit, always on. This one, only the keys which you strike gets lit up. And here is a kind of a breathing effect which you get. The moment you press, and that's where the wave starts, a wave light. And this one is the wave light which goes on always, from left to right. And this one lights up only the ASD keys, so that it's useful for gamers to just to play them. So that's it.
And also here's an idea. So the breathing effect, for what it would look like, here's a preview of what it would look like from a gamer's perspective when a gamer is in game. Could you just help me out by getting into the breathing mode? Yeah. Function. No, I'm sorry, the waves one. Yeah.
The waves, sorry. Waves.
Yeah. So I'll be executing a standard gaming combo in Dota 2, and this is what it's gonna look like in game. Amazon. Yep. So that is what it would look like.